What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What is her name?
Her name is Nora.
What is his name?
His name is James.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is David.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Emma.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Lily.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Jack.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Sally.
What's your full name?
My full name is Sarah Johnson.
What's your first name?
My first name is Sarah.
What's your last name?
My last name is Johnson.
Do you know his name?
Yes, his name is William.